Hello, and welcome to this new video. Today, I will show you how to process SolidWorks models directly in our PN4000 bending software. We are here in SolidWorks and have designed this component, this sheet metal part, and can simply save it here as a SolidWorks single part. We can then import the SolidWorks model into our PN4000. Next, we select our bending machine. And with the automatic calculation, we can generate a bending program for this SolidWorks model fully automatically. In the next step, I can generate my NC program directly, and then send the NC program directly to my bending machine. For more information, visit WiCAM.com.